Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a girl who was adopted from Somalia at the age of 5 or 6, and she was taken to Finland. And from there, she was adopted by two parents. They took care of her. She grew up. She had massive trauma because of what she saw in Somalia. But yet, she grew above that. She saw a psychiatrist. She took care of herself. She grew up. She got married. And then she had two children. One child ended up being a farmer. Another ended up being a whale killer. A professional whale killer for food. Right? Why am I telling you this story? It is very simple. There's a lot of good we do that we think is good. But have you really thought about the entire consequences of that good? You saved a starving child, but she has to deal with a lifetime of trauma. Have you thought about why you're saving her? Is it simply your guilt? Is it simply something that you do to convince yourself that you are a good person? And what even is good? That child could have ended up in a mental asylum. That child could have gone completely crazy. That child could have been a rebel or a criminal because of the memories that she's had in Somalia. Now, the UN comes and tries to feed her, and feeds her just enough to keep her starving. And she continues starving and develops a tiny brain. So what is the point of all this? Nature had not intended this for us. She wanted only the best to survive. Only the people who can manage in a certain situation. That is why we are called resilient. It is not survival of the fittest. It is survival of the most resilient. Capitalism is our current system. So if you can be resilient in that, good for you. You survive, everyone else dies. But if you want to change that system, then try and change it. Good. Let everyone else be resilient to your new system. Let them be accepting of your new system. But do not do mindless good. You put a criminal away for doing something bad, right? He does a crime, you put him away. When a child does something bad, you put him out for timeout. But why don't you think about the good you do? The consequences it will have, the carbon it will push out into the atmosphere, the number of animals that it will kill, the bad it can do. Every time you feed someone or educate someone that doesn't need to be fed or educated, you are destroying them. You are prolonging their suffering, not saving their lives.